Guten Tag! Diesmal sprechen wir über eine Aktivität in Deutsch im Blick. So this is from the textbook website. It's a Sprache im Kontext, a language in context video, and it's the first one of these kind that I'm having you do in German 101. So I want to go over it with you because there is no text to accompany this video. You're just left to listen to it and answer the questions in the book, and I want to make sure that you're following along and that you're having good strategies for listening to these kinds of videos. So, das ist Aktivität 10 in dem Buch auf Seite 25. And I'll leave a link in the description to the particular video. So, das heißt mit dem Bus zur Uni, with the bus to the university. For Teil A, so part A, you're just watching the clip and then you write down what it's about. So you probably noticed that they're filming at a busy street, at a bus stop. So they are in Germany, near Würzburg, and they are just talking on the street. It's raining, sort of a gray day. So Tobias is the guy who's telling you about the bus. Okay, so the words that you heard in the video, not Busticket, not Universität, not Bargeld, not Studenten, but Studentenausweis, yes, so in that compound you would have heard Studenten. Bezahlen, nope. Kosten, no, but there was actually kostenlos. So that sort of counts because costless or cost-free, like as in just free, that was in there. Fahren was in there. So fahren is to drive or to ride. Basically just denotes that you're using a means of transportation with typically wheels and not walking. It doesn't matter though if you're the driver or the passenger. And then Fahrplan was not in the video. So you did get Bus and Straßenbahn as well, so the streetcar. Okay, so that's for B. For Teil C, with these content questions, which 3 buses go in die Stadt, into town, and to the Hubland? So Hubland is the name of the campus of the Universität Würzburg, the university there. That's just the name of the campus because they have different areas where they have university buildings. So Nummer 1, a bus pass, which you can buy on any bus or, oh, I'm sorry, I skipped one. So Nummer 1, which 3 buses go in die Stadt into the Hubland? 1, 10, ja. 14, ja. 40, nein. 114, ja. Aber 1400, nein. So I read those in order. If you're wondering which number is which, they just were in order. Okay, Nummer 2, Frage 2. What do you need to get to the Hubland campus by bus? 1, a bus pass? Nope. 2, cash? Nope. 3, your student ID card? Yeah. So what do you think a Studentenausweis is? It's a student ID. And if you have a student ID in Würzburg, you can use that, and you can use all the different kinds of public transportation, including the bus and also the Straßenbahn, which is like a tram or a streetcar or a trolley, depending on what you want to call it. And then part D, so Teil D, listen one more time and write down the articles that come before the nouns. So this is assuming that you know what an article is, right? So an article is a word like there, it's a word like the, or my, or there, or your, so those possessives. The is probably the most common one. A is another really common one. And then the possessives are after A and the, they're the next most common articles. So if you think article, think like the prototype articles are A and the. So when he says, I am Tobias, he says, ich bin der Tobias. So der is the form of the for masculine. And then he says, das ist die Bushaltestelle. So Bushaltestelle, that's a compound word. In German, you take the gender of the last word in the compound, so Stelle, to determine the gender of the article you use. So die Bushaltestelle, because it's die Stelle. Die Linie. You'll notice that a lot of the nouns ending in "es" have a feminine gender. So it's often die with that E ending, like Stelle and Linie. Not always, but if you have to guess, that's a good guess. Okay, then we've got das Hubland. So das Land, so das Hubland, even though it's a name, you still have the das. Die Nummer and der Studentenausweis. So again, you can see this is a compound word, student ID. Ausweis is going to be masculine, der, so you have der Studentenausweis. Okay, I hope that this gives you guys an idea of how you did on this assignment, and I will be looking at it in class. So do your corrections, and I'll see you am Dienstag. Tschüss!